Amazing Mendi designs. The art of decorating palms, arms and feet with mendi or henna used in India, Arabia and Africa for hundreds of years. It's completely natural. It has a cooling effect. Ladies living in tropical countries love applying mendi on their palms, arms, feet and back. Nowadays market is flooded with ready-made mendi cones. All one needs to do is just prick the mendi cone and make henna design of your choice. Applying latest mendi designs on festivals like Eid, Rakhi, weddings, etc. is very popular. There are quite a few henna color variants available like brown, dark orange, bright red and black. Mendi or mendi is a form of body art from ancient India, in which decorative designs are created on a person's body, using a paste created from the powdered dry leaves of the henna plant, Lawsonia inermis. Ancient in origin, mendi is still a popular form of body art among the women of the Indian subcontinent, Africa and the Middle East, and a Muslim tribe in the Philippines called Ilocanos. The use of mendi and turmeric is described in the earliest Hindu Vedic ritual books. It was originally used for only women's palms and sometimes for men, but as time progressed, it was more common for men to wear it. Haldi, staining oneself with turmeric paste, as well as mendi are Vedic customs. There are many variations and types in mendi designs which are categorized, such as Arabic mendi designs, Indian mendi designs, and Pakistani mendi designs. Women usually apply variations of henna or mendi design patterns on their hands and feet. While there is some controversy over the origins of the use of henna leaf powder as a dyeing agent, the earliest clear evidence of henna powder application on the body appears in Egyptian mummies whose hair and nails were stained with the reddish-brown tones of henna. Botanists believed the henna plant, Lawsonia inermis, originated in Egypt and was carried regularly to India, where it was used since at least 700 AD for decorating hands and feet. Historically, henna has also been used for medicinal purposes, to dye cloth and leather as well as hair, to color the manes of horses and the fur of other animals. Practiced mainly in the Indian subcontinent and Africa, Middle East and Philippines. Mendi is the application of a temporary form of skin decoration, popularized in the West by Indian cinema and the entertainment industry. The people in Nepal, Bangladesh and the Maldives, Philippines. The tribe that use mendi in the Philippines are the Ilocanos. Also use mendi, and mendi decorations became fashionable in the West in the late 1990s, where they are called henna tattoos. Mendi in Indian tradition is typically applied during special Hindu weddings and Hindu festivals like Karva Chauth, Vat Purnima, Diwali, Bidoj and Tej. In Hindu festivals, many women have henna applied to their hands and feet and sometimes on the back of their shoulders too, as men have it applied on their arms, legs, back, and chest. For women, it is usually drawn on the palm, back of the hand and on feet, where the design will be clearest due to contrast with the lighter skin on these surfaces, which naturally contain less of the pigment melanin. Some Muslims in the Indian subcontinent also apply mendi during festivals such as Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. In the modern age, and even due to limited supply of Indian traditional mendi artists, usually people buy ready-made henna cones, which are ready to use and make painting easy. However, in rural areas in India, women grind fresh henna leaves on grinding stones with added oil, which, though not as refined as professionally prepared henna cones, achieves much darker colors. Process. Henna paste is usually applied on the skin using a plastic cone, a paintbrush or a stick. After about 15 to 20 minutes, the mud will dry and begin to crack. And during this time, a mixture of lemon juice and white sugar can be applied over the henna designed to re-moisten the henna mud so that the henna will stain darker. The painted area is then wrapped with tissue, plastic, or medical tape to lock in body heat, creating a more intense color on the skin. The wrap, not a traditional method, is worn for 2 to 6 hours, or sometimes overnight, and then removed. When first removed, the henna design is pale to dark orange in color and gradually darkens through oxidation, over the course of 24 to 72 hours. The final color is reddish-brown and can last anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks depending on the quality and type of henna paste applied, as well as where it was applied on the body. Thicker skin stains darker and longer than thin skin. Moisturizing with natural oils, such as olive, sesame seed, or coconut, will also help extend the lifetime of the stain. Skin exfoliation causes the henna tattoo to fade. A presentation of Mirza Jamal, Maharkavi. Thanks for watching.